Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Makerblox app. First, you will want to download the app from your preferred app store, which is a quick process taking less than 1 minute. Once installed, open it up and either create a new account or log in if you already have one. The initial setup is straightforward, guiding you through a few simple steps. After logging in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the user-friendly main interface. Now, let's dive into designing your unique avatar. Tap the Create New button to start your project from scratch. You'll discover an extensive library featuring over 1,000 different assets, including heads, torsos, and accessories. Experiment with various combinations to bring your vision to life. Use the intuitive sliders to precisely adjust colors, textures, and sizes, giving you complete creative control over every detail of your character. Once your masterpiece is complete, it's time to share it with the world. First, save your finished avatar to your personal gallery within the app. This ensures your work is always accessible. Then, with just one tap, you can easily share your unique designs directly to popular social media platforms. Don't forget to explore the vibrant community gallery, where you can view, like, and appreciate the incredible creations from thousands of other talented Makerblox users. To elevate your designs, here are some pro tips. Master the layering system to add incredible depth and complexity, allowing for intricate details. Experiment with the advanced lighting and shadow effects to give your creations a more realistic and polished look. Consider joining the official Makerblox forums. They are a fantastic resource for discovering new techniques, participating in community challenges, and connecting with fellow creators to enhance your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.